Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire. Opt for a good quality ice cream for the best flavor and texture. Whole milk works wonderfully for creaminess, but feel free to use a dairy-free alternative. Now, let's get blending. Add about 2 cups of ice cream and 1/2 cup of milk into your blender. This ratio typically yields a perfect consistency. If you are adding flavorings like chocolate syrup or fresh fruit, now is the time to include them. Start blending on a low setting to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase the speed until your milkshake is wonderfully smooth and creamy. The beauty of milkshakes is their versatility. You can easily customize your creation with various flavors. Try different ice cream bases like classic vanilla, rich chocolate, or fruity strawberry. For a natural twist, blend in fresh fruits such as ripe bananas or sweet berries. Don't forget mix-ins like crushed cookies, candy pieces, or even a spoonful of creamy peanut butter for an extra treat. Your delicious homemade milkshake is ready. Pour it immediately into a tall, chilled glass to maintain its frosty temperature. For an extra special touch, garnish your masterpiece with a swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Grab a wide straw to fully enjoy the thick, creamy texture you've just created. Enjoy every refreshing sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.